Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got something you're definitely going to want to stick around for. In the next few minutes, I'm going to share my honest take on the iRobot Roomba Plus 505 Combo Robot Vacuum. And believe me, if you've ever been frustrated with dirty floors, endless vacuuming, or mops that don't really clean, this video is going to save you time, money, and probably your sanity. And by the way, if you want to dive into the full written article with every single detail, you can find the link right down in the description and also pinned in the first comment. Trust me, you're going to want to check it out. So let's get right into it. Now, when I first considered buying the Roomba 505 combo, I was nervous. Spending that much money on a robot vacuum and mop combo felt like a big leap. But here's the thing. Everything I loved about my old Roomba got better in this model. For starters, it comes with a self-emptying base, and even a spare bag tucked inside, so you're never caught without one. And the self-cleaning mop system, total game changer. Unlike the old Brava that felt like wiping the floor with a damp towel, this Roomba actually scrubs the pads, does a little shimmy across the tiles, and leaves the floors feeling genuinely clean, not just wiped over. And that's exactly what most of us want. Real results without extra work. Let's talk about solutions, because that's what really matters. If you ever struggled with keeping a large house clean, especially a mix of tile and carpet, the 505 combo delivers. In my home, which is about 60% tile and 40% carpet, I honestly doubted it could even map the space correctly. But thanks to its LiDAR navigation, it surprised me by creating an accurate map quickly, as long as doors were open and obstacles cleared. That's peace of mind right there. Another problem it solves is routine cleaning. With the iRobot Home app, you can set up smart cleaning routines and even target high-traffic areas with the Clean Zone feature. Now, the app isn't perfect. It still needs a lot of usability improvements, but even with its flaws, being able to schedule and automate cleaning saves me hours every week. And let's be real, that's priceless. Now, here's something I absolutely love, the way it handles mopping. The system works incredibly well on tile, and I saw it firsthand. On the very first use, after what looked like a fairly clean floor, the dirty water tank filled up with black water after just one double pass. That's proof of how much grime it actually lifts, and maintaining the mop pads, easy. I even tossed them into my washer for a deep clean with perfect results. Edge cleaning and carpets are a bit more complicated. Here's the truth. It does struggle along the borders of rugs because the scrubbers retract to avoid dragging wet pads over carpet. Honestly, that's a plus for not ruining rugs, but it means you may need to finish those edges manually. The LiDAR also sometimes leaves a little buffer around furniture, so the corners aren't always spotless. But that's the trade-off for not crashing into every chair leg in your home. On the vacuum side, it's solid for everyday cleaning. Is it as powerful as a Dyson stick vacuum? No, but it doesn't have to be. It picks up dust, dirt, and especially pet hair really well. As long as you keep up with simple maintenance like blowing out the filter and keeping the dock clean, for most households, that's more than enough. One thing you should know though is the popping noise some units have made when rolling across certain floors. I experienced it, contacted iRobot, and they offered a replacement. It's not perfect, but I appreciate the customer service. And here's the big picture. This robot vacuum and mop combo actually saves me hours every week. Instead of dragging out the mop or running a heavy vacuum daily, I just let her do her thing. She's thorough, surprisingly intuitive, and honestly a little mesmerizing to watch. If you're anything like me, you'll find yourself checking the app just to see her progress across the map of your home. So who is the Roomba Plus 505 combo really for? If you've got a large house, if you want the convenience of self-emptying and self-cleaning mop heads, if you're tired of robot vacuums that don't actually scrub, this is the upgrade worth making. It's not perfect. The app needs work. Edge cleaning could be better, but the time and effort it saves is worth every penny. To wrap it up, here's my take. The iRobot Roomba Plus 505 Combo Robot Vacuum is one of the most complete cleaning solutions on the market right now. It doesn't just vacuum and mop, it gives you back your time. It handles routine cleaning in ways that older models simply couldn't, and it makes life easier for anyone, balancing work, family, and a home that actually stays clean. And like I said at the beginning, if you want the full article with every single detail, comparisons, and my personal notes, you can find that link in the description and pinned comment. Don't miss it. Thanks for watching, and let me know in the comments if you tried this model or if you're rethinking of upgrading. I'd love to hear your experiences.